Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Wyze camera not connecting, Wi-Fi setup and app troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is check the camera power. Make sure the camera is plugged into a working power outlet, then check that the USB cable and power adapter are firmly connected. Wait about 1 minute for the camera to start. Then look for the status light to confirm the camera is powered on. Second one is check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working. Then connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Then use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz. Then move the camera closer to the router during setup. Third one is restart the camera. Unplug the camera from power, then wait 30 seconds. Then plug it back in, then wait for the camera to restart and try connecting again. Fourth one is restart your router. Unplug the Wi-Fi router, then wait 1 minute. Then plug the router back in, then after the internet returns, reconnect the camera. Fifth one is reset the camera. Keep the camera powered on, then press and hold the setup button for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then wait until you hear the setup message or see the status light change. Then set up the camera again in the Wyze app. Thanks for watching.